How to turn on OTG on Android. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on OTG on Android. If at the end of this video guys you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, I'll be using Infinix Note 11 for this tutorial. First thing to do is to go to your phone and open up your settings. When you open up your settings guys, now it will bring you to this page. Just scroll up and click on more connection. When you click on more connection guys, it will bring you to this page. Now scroll up, you can see we have OTG. Then for you to turn it on, you have to click on this button at the front, and that button will change to white and green. Now the OTG will automatically turn off if not connected in 10 minutes. So guys, that is how to turn on OTG on Android. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.